Let us understand reflex action and reflex arc. Reflex action. Reflex action is a sudden, involuntary reaction of the body in response to stimuli. Response to stimuli. Reflex arc. It is a path followed by electrical impulse during a reflex action. Electrical impulse during an reflex action. The impulse travels from the receptor organ to the spinal cord. Receptor organ to spinal cord. It is processed that there and the information is brought back to the concerned muscle to carry out the action. Thus, receptor organ, sensory, interneuron, motor, neuron, and effector organ are the components of a reflex arc. Let us understand how the protection of CNS happens. Now you're thinking, what is CNS? CNS is the central nervous system, or we should say brain. How is the protection of brain happens? It happens with these three things. These three are the layers. First, the bony skull, which is the top of your head. Second is the cerebrospinal fluid, and last is the meninges. Okay, meninges involves durameter, arachnoid, and pyometer. Now let us understand the plant hormones and their functions. First plant hormone is auxin. What the auxin do? Auxin helps in growth of the plant tissue. Helps in growth of plant tissue. Second comes your cytokinin. It promotes a cell division, delays aging of cells. Means a main function is promotes cell division. Third came gibberellins. It helps in growth of stems, initiates seeds germination, promotes flowering, cell division, and seed growth after germination. After germination processes, we can write here. Means after germination, it do so many functions as a plant hormone. Abscisic acid inhibits growth and causes withering of leaves, promote dormancy of birds and seeds. Dormancy of birds, BUDS, not birds, birds and seeds. Last came ethylene. This is a gaseous hormone which causes ripening of fruits. It helps in ripening of fruits. So these 5 are the plant hormones and these are the functions of these plant hormones. Now let us understand the growth independent movements. What are these? The movements which are not growth related are called nestic movements. Firstly, we are talking about the nestic movements. What are nesting movements? Nestic movements are the movements which are not growth related. Nestic movements occur in response to environmental stimuli, but the direction of response is not dependent on the direction of stimulus. The movement in the touch me not plant is thigmonestic. thigmonestic movement, which is movement in response to touch. Now let us understand the growth related movements in plants. The movements which are growth related are called tropic movements. Tropic movements. These are the growth related movements. These movements occur in response to environmental stimuli, and the direction of response is dependent on the direction of the stimulus. Some of the examples we are taking for tropic movements. First, phototrophic movements. Phototropic, not fic. I am not writing PHIC, I am writing PIC. Movement. It is the light dependent. Then second comes geotropic. Third comes your chemotropic. Fourth comes your hydrotropic. And fifth comes your thigmotropic. I say the thigmotropic. These all are movement. Phototrophic movement is the light dependent. It's light dependent. Geotropic, geography. अपन ऐसा समझना geography. So geography से related gravity. तो gravity dependent. Chemotropic, chemistry. तो chemistry chemical dependent. Hydrotropic movement. Hydrogen, H2O, water dependent. And thigmotropic, तो T से touch dependent.